Dakispangut ki pai ba bakuntup ru ye kinongelam jong ki we ki seng sign per thei naki shnong bapher ka thaiñ khappud jong ka Jirang Constituency manta ke sngi kilali ban Pyniasoh yelede but ka National People's Party na ka banta ban pinklain ne ka party shuwa ka election chake yeng dorbar thau ain jong ka jilla ka ban long ha usnem araja ar fulai haka ni gesngi la sakhiru da ka jingnon lang u MLA ka Jirang ba sostana sotun ba Victor Rani MDC ba Balawans Imyong President ka NPP Jirang bat ki we ki riurang ba bat ki nongialam ka party na ka thaiñ Jirang lengba jong ka te ka jingwan Pyniasoh jong ki pait ba ha ka te gesngi kanang penklan chushu ya ka party ha Jirang Constituency ka balayo ru khamdu na vote ha ka election ka bledem habakren ha gate ke sngi na kaliang jong uba sostana sotan ulapan pa ko jing sokmen ka bakra banyo I beki pait ba ha gate ka tan kilas ngau tho halo ka jing trekam jong ka party NPP ulong ru bana kaliang jong ukumu MLA ulatrishi tom hakini ki south nam balale no klemshong thai panwan ra ye ki kampen roy bat ki jing kala hapo ka constituency hi baro ka we
I mo dang jong kikmat pasibun ki parlok jingi ki wan join second NPP aru mu itia okhom jadi kom bor bisi halguri kapan nurim deh okhomnya di kintu borokin okhomnya di kong aru ঠিক নাই কিবা halguri ahe okhomnya kintu halguri যেতিয়া মানে নতুন কে যেতিয়া হেৰি কথা পাতলে ফট কৰি নাহে আস্তেকে আহিব আৰু অসমীয়া মই আগতে আপোনাক ধন্যবাদ জনাইছো আপোনাৰ এতিয়া উপস্থিত
We are very proud of our late Sir P.S. Sangma, who has laid a very strong foundation for the National People's Party. And today, we are very proud, and we should be very proud, of our Sir Cornat K. Sangma, our Honorable Minister, our Honorable Chief Minister, the National President of the National People's Party, who is from day to day try to work and reach to the people not only in one area, not only in one constituency, to all the 60 constituencies of the state and to many other constituencies of the northeastern states. We are very proud of a national president, Sir Cornat K. Sangma, who is a man of principle, a man who can deliver. We know and we can witness for the last 4.5 years, many developmental works is going on, not only in our constituency, but in the whole of Meghalaya.